In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put photo on Gmail account. If you want your Gmail account to show your personal photo instead of the default profile icon, the process is very simple and only takes a few minutes. Updating your profile picture can make your account feel more personal, and it can also help other people recognize you more easily when you send emails or use other Google services. To begin, go to your Google account settings. This is where Google keeps all of your main account details, including your name, security settings, and profile information. Make sure you're signed in to the Gmail account where you want to add or update the photo. Once the page opens, you'll be in the main account dashboard. Next, look to the left-hand side of the page and click on Personal Info. This section contains the basic details connected to your account, such as your name, birthday, and profile photo. It's the place you'll use whenever you want to manage the public-facing information tied to your Google account. Once you're in Personal Info, find and click on Profile Picture. This will open the profile photo settings for your account. If you already have a picture there, you'll be able to replace it. If you don't have one yet, this is where you can add it for the first time. From here, you can choose how you want to set your photo. Google may give you a few different options, including browsing illustrations, uploading an image from your device, or taking a picture right away if your camera is available. If you want something personal and professional, uploading a clear photo from your computer or phone is usually the best choice. If you prefer something simple, you can also select one of the built-in illustrations. As you choose your image, make sure it's easy to see and centered well. A clear headshot or well-lit photo usually works best, especially because profile pictures often appear in a small circle. If Google gives you the option to crop or adjust the image, take a moment to position it properly so it looks good in the preview. After you finish selecting your image, your new profile picture will be applied to your Google account. Keep in mind that it may take a little time to update across Gmail and other Google services, so don't worry if you don't see the change instantly. And that's it. You've successfully added or changed the photo on your Gmail account.